So after the visit to the Krakow Park, I have come to Split. There are buses that runs from Skardin directly to the Split, and they charge you around 11 euros. So now I am in Split. Let's explore the town. All over Croatia, during winter time at least, you will be able to get hostels that are not more than 20 euros. So ranging from 10 to 20 euros, you will be able to find hostels. The Cathedral of Saint Domnius once was the mausoleum of the emperor itself. This here is the Saint Domnius Cathedral, which is just beside my hostel. So best thing about Split is that here you can see is the Egyptian architecture, then the Roman architecture, and then you can see the medieval as well. So all these architectures at one place. The church and the major area around this is part of Diocletian's palace, which is a UNESCO World Heritage site, and you will be walking through some really narrow streets. Just opposite of the church is the Jupiter's temple. This what you see here is called as Vestibule, and this is part of Game of Thrones location. In the Vestibule, the fight between the sons of Harpy and the Unsullied were shown. The spear fight between the sons of Harpy and the Unsullied were shot here. One most important thing to do in Split is to walk on the Riva. This street that you see beside the coast is called Riva. You can have some local, authentic, amazing food here on the restaurants beside the Riva. This what you see is Diocletian's palace, and it is a huge portion which covers also the city hall, the church, and many other parts. If you are a Game of Thrones fan, then you will be able to spot some of the locations of Diocletian palace as the ones that were shot in Game of Thrones. For example, the main gates of Miren, the streets I am walking now are the Game of Thrones streets, the streets of Miren, which was a slave street in Game of Thrones. Now I am standing in the dungeon where Queen Daenerys trained her two dragons in Game of Thrones. So if you want to see the place where Daenerys trained her dragons, then you have to pay 8 euros. This is the underground of Diocletian Palace where the shot has been done. So the Unsullied fought the sons of Harpy at this portion of Diocletian's palace. The Unsullieds fought the sons of Harpy at this place. These architectures that you see here, they are the medieval time oil press which is still preserved at the same location that they were found. During 15th and 16th century, Croatia suffered a lot of atrocities and destruction by the Ottoman Empire that invaded into these Roman cities. This is the People's Square of Split.
Učini plesni Božići, okreni se ti tak, u tome je cijela stvar. Ruke!
This is Gregorian Inn. He was a bishop. There is a myth that if you rub the big toe of the Gregorian Inn, then you will be having good luck, and all the people who come here, they do that.